Hi guys, Andy here. Let's have a look at the DAX futures. Today is Monday, January 22. Time is around 7 p.m. GMT. So let's start in the higher time frame. Here we are looking at the weekly chart, and my take on the DAX is that we started a new cycle here, a third wave up from the wave 2 low here in the higher degree. There is a chance that this wave 2 is still in progress, but then we really need to return from this area. So the structure we are seeing here so far is 3 waves, 1, 2, 3. So this could be an expanded flat A, B, C, and if or if we complete this expanded flat structure right here, it could be that we still see an impulse down as a wave C to make the wave 2 low right here. For the moment, this is not my primary scenario. Simply, we have an higher high, higher low sequence here in the DAX in the weekly chart in the higher time frame. That's also the case for the most important world indices, the Nasdaq, the S&P, the Dow Jones. So therefore, I assume or I take the scenario here in green as my primary scenario, which is a bullish scenario. And so that means that from the wave 2 low here, we are working on a wave 3 in the higher degree. So now there are 2 ways to get there as a wave 3. Like it could be something very bullish, let's say, and then therefore let's go to the daily chart. Here in the daily, like the extremely bullish scenario would be, it is shown in red. Then we have a wave 1 right here, wave 1 in the higher degree. We came down as an A, B, C, here as a wave 2 down. And now we might be working here on this wave 3. Wave 3, normally the strongest wave. So that would actually be extremely bullish in the sense that this here becomes our target. There's also another possibility that I show here in green. And this scenario is showing that the wave 1 here is unfolding as a leading diagonal. And so it would mean that we have something as a wave 1 here, but in a lower degree, wave 2 down, then let's say shorter wave 3, wave 4 down, and then a short fifth wave to make the wave 1 high, and then we see a pullback as a wave 2, but then this low here has to hold. That's also a possibility. For the moment, I cannot really choose between these 2 scenarios. We will only know this afterwards when we have more data, but it is quite clear that from the low right here, we started a new cycle, a new upward cycle. And so now the question is, will this be like very bullish as shown here in red, or are we simply finishing here this wave 1? That's also a possibility, so that we end like as a leading diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like this, and then down. Then if we go to the lower time frame here, if we go to the 4-hour, so here what we see for the moment, I assume that the wave 4 low is in. It looks like we start to break the downward cycle here, so it could be that this WXY correction is completed right here. This is a complete corrective structure, or this could be a complete corrective structure. Now, if we are, for instance, working on a wave 2 down, so let's say that in the very bullish scenario, that this is not our wave 3 but only our wave 1 of our wave 3, then we can see a deeper pullback as a wave 2. And then of course what is possible is that we see more corrective moves right here. So after this WXY, we could get 1 2 3 up like this, and then again 1 2 3 down. This is what can happen if you move corrective. You are moving in 3, and so here we have a move in 3 1 2 3, but of course you can always do another corrective move 1 2 3 up, and then again 1 2 3 down. But for the moment this looks something complete, so I will assume that the wave 4 low is in right here, and then we need to start, or we started here, or fifth wave up, and the target is we should at least take out the wave 3 high here. We can do more as a wave 4, as a wave 5, excuse me, but we have to analyze on the way while we get more data here. But the minimum requirement is to take out the wave 3 high. So then if we go to the 1 hour, like I told you here, potential wave 4, potential end of wave 4. However, so far we only have 3 waves, 1 2 3 up. We are also ending strong. So in order to have a bit more confirmation about a fourth wave low here, it would be good to have an impulse here, and that would mean that we need another high. We need a fifth wave up. We need to take out the wave 3 high right here. If it stays like this, and if we start to return from here, then it can still be that this wave 4 is still in progress, in the sense that here the Y leg of the wave 4 is not finished. So we are assuming that we are having a WXY structure down here as a Y leg. This is also plausible, and it looks like this. But if this only stays as 3 waves, 1 2 3, then it is still possible that we see this Y leg in a lower degree to finish the wave 4 right here. So then we have 1 2 3 as a wave W, 1 2 3 as a wave X, and so instead of this 1 2 3 as a wave Y, the 1 2 3 move is located here, 1 2 3. That's a possibility. Okay, then if we go to the 15 minutes, so actually here we have an quite clear situation, I would say, in the sense that like this here is complete, A, B, C. If we take out the high right here, then this can no longer be a corrective structure. Then it becomes 5 waves. So for the scenario in red, we have a quite clear invalidation level, which is the high right here. And also for the scenario in green, I would analyze this as wave 1, wave 2 down. Then here the strongest RSI reading is our wave 3. We went into the wave 4 area, and so now we actually need to see this fifth wave up, taking out this third wave, and then we would have an impulse. Of course, I show you the wave 4 right here. However, it is still possible that we are doing something like this as a wave 4, an A, B, C structure, like this could be our corrective structure, but it could also be that we see a bit deeper correction like A, B, C. The true invalidation level of discount is here, the wave 2 low. So as a wave 4, we cannot take out the wave 2 low. So this is the invalidation level. So here we are in the wave 4 area, but remember the wave 4 area is just a guideline. The rule is that you cannot take out the wave 2 low. Okay, that's it for now. If you enjoyed this analysis, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work. And I see you one of the next days for another update on the DAX. Have a nice day. Bye bye.